Let's try some software. 3D Launcher is a toolbar with, or actual launcher with animated 3D icons. Let's see how it will work. The installer is made with some free version of installation creator. Not sure how big will that be. Okay, it's done. Okay, so it's shareware, there's manual, and let's try to run it. Crap, Visual Basic. For shorting, this is an icon for Visual Basic program. So please enjoy the demo. Some functions have been disabled. Buy online and get your full version serial number now. Register with the serial number provided. So we can continue. By now register about and settings. Let's continue. So I have this main launcher with few animated icons, internet, office, graphics, multimedia, tools, and extra. So let's see. Browser, email, news, ATP, or let's try. So I have to define some paths before that. And that's not available. Okay, let's see if... wait, how the hell do I... oh, let's try in settings. So here you can set the launcher, what to launch, sound settings, and this is about 3D Launcher by Vincent Vergy, Gertland Jan, losing... oh fuck this shit. The Netherlands, yeah, fuck that. So let's add programs. Browser, Internet Explorer, email, Outlook Express, news, same shit, FTP, and other, Explorer, okay, Office, text editor, Word, second editor, WordPad, spreadsheet, back to the Office, Excel, database, stuff access, other, PowerPoint. Oh my god. Okay, graphics, photo, paint, drawing, paint, painting, paint, 3D model, paint, other, paint, multimedia, Windows Media Player, same for audio, interactive, CD, other, paint, tools, to compress, let's try calculator, or calculator, removable calculator, doctor, chart map, random, and other, paint. For extra, let's try freestyle. That doesn't work. Okay, I'm gonna text editor 2 for some reason. Well, let's try solitaire, extra 3, minimize, extra 4, min file, and extra 5. Oh my god. Paint. So what's with this? I don't know. Oh, there it is. So that's broken. Very nice. Okay, save, and let's try it out. For internet browser. It. That was supposed to be running, wasn't it? Well, fuck this shit. Let's try something else. Okay, news. Wow, finally. No. Oh my god, stop. FTP. Ugh. Is there anything I can launch? What the fuck? You can't launch any fucking shit now. Huh? Wow. Office. That was supposed to be Microsoft Word. And this one doesn't work. Oh. Gee. Okay, multimedia. Video. That works. Audio. Now it works. Huh. Interactive. Still. Siri. Nope. Nope. Paint graphics. Photo. No. Drawing. No. Painting. No. No. Wow. Out of all these things to launch a paint single program, you only launch it like 5 times and then it works or not. Gee. What a piece of shit. Compress. No. Convert. Doctor. No. If in this case, if there's some virus and you try to run an antivirus and then now you fucking work, huh? Fucking piece of shit. Okay, one. No. Huh? What a fucking piece of shit. Two. Nope. Five. Four. Yeah. Three. Okay, I guess that's quite. That's pretty much all. I don't have any idea how this is useful if most of these shortcuts or icons don't, or whatever, blah. I have no idea how to explain this. No way to enjoy this shit. And oh, wait, what the fuck? Great, crash. What? Wow, you managed to break it. Wow. Huh. Seems to work. Wait. I don't have any idea how to use settings without showing this shit. Okay, let's see. Shit. Fucking shit. Shit. Shit to cube. Shit. Oh. Shit. Square. And shit to shit. And yet it breaks. Shit, fucking shit to cubic. Ah, forgot. sheet squared, sheet cubic, and sheet to sheet. And sheet doesn't work. Okay, let's screw that up. I need to find that. Okay, let's fuck that. Fuck this. Fuck them. Fuck me. Fuck him. Okay. And fuck me. Scrub. It's great. Wraps. Yes. Junky. Useless. Piece of the fucking she huh? Oh, damn. And it broke again. Back my the fucking she. Yes or two is it? No comment. Yeah. Okay, let's check it out. Let's check the manual anyway. Maybe there's something useful. So, what is it? The 3D launcher is a utility that puts spinning 3D-dimensional icons in a control bar on your desktop. It can be used to launch your favorite and commonly used programs. It provides shortcuts to frequently used applications such as word processors, image editing, and compression software. But first of all, it makes your desktop more fun. That's really fun. Yeah. So does it run on my system? For sure thing, it will work on any goddamn fucking system these days. Back then, fuck that. What does it cost? 3D launcher cost only $50 bucks, $50 for private use. 15 for this shit. For this. Wow. For corporate use, 100. What fucking company would use a program for $100 which breaks so much? So broken that this won't launch anything because that's broken path. And there's no text to back, like in here. Wow. So how do I pay? You'll find about a button saying buy online. Connected to the internet bank, Kage. For something that sounds like something Nigerian, but it's alleged back then, but no fucking way to buy this shit anyway. I'm interested in the movies. What movies? But not in the application. Yeah. Fuck that. You can buy the movies separately for 10 bucks. They can be downloaded as animated GIF or as QuickTime movies, millions of colors, millions from all our website. Hey, movies. This is like movies. This. $10 for each. Why the fuck you would buy that for $10? Hold on, let's continue it. So how do I make it work with my programs? Right, no shit. Sherlock. 6 groups. What now? Fuck that. Right clicking here to show settings. Whoa. I had no idea. Wow. Piece of shit. Okay, locating product. Okay, why the hell is this window so screwed up? Let's see. We can even resize it like for no reason, and they didn't bother to do that to make it like yeah. At least it doesn't do that in here. But fuck that. Okay, let's see in here. This setting will launch Microsoft Word. No, it won't. Because you'll fuck it up. Click to change. Yeah. Legal. Oh boy. Some more details. The installer is pretty much the only good shit in here. This is literally not needed. The only thing they will need is this shit. Made in 2000. Win2Win software. Win2Win, yeah. Okay, let's see the folder a bit more. Okay, how to buy. Buy now to get a serial number within seconds. And it should redirect to something. Let's see if I can see that. Where the heck? Oh man. Oh, nah. Ah. So it goes to there's a website anyway. Yeah, not bothered. Okay, let's check the folder. So what's in the data? Video clips, sounds of it, and that's like the movie for $10. For $10 you get this 3 seconds of this shit. 3 seconds. What the fuck? 3 seconds for each of these. Let's see how many. 42 and 43. Let's see if I can draw out change from here. Wait. Okay, 43 times 10. So they will get like $430 for if someone buys a whole pack of these. And that's like that's like 2 minutes of video clip. You're just buying $430 for 2 minutes of this shit. Wait, what the fuck? Yeah, that's like optimized, yeah. No fucking way that someone will buy this shit for $10 or $15 or $100. I have no idea how the hell they made this. It's in Visual Basic. It's junky. It's shit. It's junk. It's useless. Maybe it's not like really useless, but it's literally something that you won't need or anything like that. It's actually, you can make it pretty much like that without 3D icons. Oh my god. Wait. Ah, crap. Where the hell? With single click. That's the only thing you fucking need. Add a shortcut in here. Wait, let me just try. C drive. Windows. Show files. Where the hell? Calculator. Create shortcut. And with one single click. And that shit works. And this doesn't. Wait. Oh yeah. Please kill yourself. Because this is the worst piece of software ever. Why online and you'll regret forever. Actually, that's not the right one. Fuck it. And you'll regret it forever. What a piece of shit. Okay, that's pretty much about it. Go to hell. Let's delete this. Okay, done. That's it. Bye.